The next 30 minutes is the Sounds of Africa radio show with D. Brown. He can be heard here every Sunday at 3 p.m. And now, the Sounds of Africa.
Every day, AM 970, WRCS, Ahoskie.
And welcome to Freeeborn Sunday with alternate sounds from gospel rap music, traditional African music, etc. right here on the station.
Yo, welcome to another edition of Sounds of Africa, your favorite program on your favorite station. And I still remain your boy, D. Brown, rocking you till the days goes by. Yeah, how are you doing today? Happy Sunday. Good afternoon. It's a wonderful Sunday. It's a wonderful day, and it's the day that the Lord has made for us to rejoice and be glad in it. And that's one thing that you and I was created to do, and that's what we're doing, praising Him, exalting Him, and giving Him praise and worship continuously. And as long as the sun shines, our lips, our mouth, our heart shall sing praises unto God. Yes, on this edition of Sounds of Africa, we theme it Freeeborn Sunday. Yeah, so on Freeeborn Sunday we get to play different songs, alternate songs like from rap, African traditional, gospel, and it's gonna be a mixture of everything. So I know you're excited because I'm excited. So stay locked as we bring you the first song on this episode. And you know what? Chante, hallelujah, yeah. You have to give thanks and praise unto the Lord every time you wake up. That's what the song says, and the song is by Ajuju, and it's a wonderful song that you can use to wake up early in the morning or any other time of the day. Come on. So let's take it to Chante, hallelujah.
Chante hallelujah, yeah. Halle chante halle halle. When you wake up in the morning sun, give praise to God who keeps you alive. Chante hallelujah, yeah. Halle chante halle halle. When you wake up in the morning sun, give praise to God who keeps you alive. Chante, 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 chante.
Every morning I wake, I praise God for these faces I see. This air that I breathe, I still see some haters who won't come take it from me. Put me down 6 feet, lay me down as a rug so they trample on me. But I give thanks, yes, and I bless God cause He's standing by me. Through all of the stress and the madness, recess and my upgrades. All day out of Chante, so I fear not what you say. I'm the son of the sun, alive of the one, chilling on top like a cloud on the run. So even if you stood and pointed a gun and pulled the trigger, now yourself you go burn. I did twilight, Papa, which way I pray. Never let him slip or slide me, ride me, Oluwa, raise me. Let me take to flight, stretch out my wings in this fight. I seize it clear, I'm getting it right. So I Chante a morning and Chante a night.
Chante hallelujah, yeah. Halle chante halle halle. When you wake up in the morning sun, give praise to God who keeps you alive. Chante hallelujah, yeah. Halle chante halle halle. Hey. When you wake up in the morning sun, give praise to God who keeps you alive. Hey. Hey. Chante, hey. Chante, Chante, Chante. When you see the birds flying high up in the sky, all of them they like to chante. And when you see the trees, the The breeze, they blow them all around. All of them, they like to Chante. You say you worship a God your eyes cannot see, but you surely stand alone if you do not believe in me. I made the heavens and the earth, I made the sky, I made the sea, I made the universe, and everything therein bows to me. Oh Lord, I pray you shall not destroy humanity if you will only see the rainbow in me. This is why me, I dey Chante anywhere, everywhere when me I dey. From the Monday to the Sunday, na Ajuju, na Abane say. See, I am nothing without you, and we are so hopeless and helpless without you. So we chant hallelujah, oh yeah, and we highly chant hallelujah. When you wake up in the morning, sun, give praise unto Jehovah. Chante hallelujah, yeah. You halle chante hallelujah. When you wake up in the morning, sun, I will give praise unto Jehovah for life. Chante, 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 hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
So how do you feel? Come on, because that song, the first time I heard it, I mean Chante Hallelujah, the first time I heard it, I was like, what? This song is, you know, such a soul. And I mean, it just touched and says a lot in just one song. And I was so into the song that I had to be listening to it every single morning when I wake up. You know, it became my daily times. Yeah, so the next song that is coming is by Ekanem Esu. Now, from the south of Nigeria, Cross River State, I'm bringing you this one. You will enjoy. I mean, music, they say, is not about the language, because music is universal. So it doesn't matter the language, you get to enjoy it and you get to be blessed. That's it. You just need to connect. That's what music is. And that's why we're bringing to you Andiyangha by Ekanem Esu. Take it over.
With a grateful heart, I lift my voice and sing. Jesus, you've been so good to me. If I have 10,000 tongues, it still won't be enough for the good and marvelous things that you have done. Atara one taga from Kunebu, boy, come. Etel senane and boy, come. Inwami, iditreken di pong fun for. Amanabo, Etel send me a mana. Andiyangha
Andiyangha mio, andiyangha mio, andiyangha mio tobase. So that's what it actually means. My help is from the Lord. That is it. So when I look up to the hills, from whence cometh my help? My help is from the Lord. That's what Ekanem Esu is trying to talk about, or is saying in her song. So let's move to the next song. And the next song is by Gospel Ngoma. Gospel Ngoma is a Congolese gospel music minister who brings a lot of Africanism into his gospel songs, and it's so amazing because he does it like the sax thing, you know, the way you blow the sax version of a song. He uses the African flute to do that, and then he plays some African instrument in the song, and it's so typical and very traditional. That's why I want you to listen. It's basically like jazz, okay? So let's say the African jazz. So let's just listen in a few minutes to Gospel Ngoma on Church Hymns. Yeah, so you see what I was talking about? It's just so typical. It's just what you get to hear in the African, sound, aspect of music, because it's so typical, and you could hear and feel African when you're listening to it. So the truth is, I like the song because it just gives me that Africanized temperature.
When it comes to gospel music, we never miss a beat.
So we're gonna take you to the next song, and the next song is one of my favorites. I've been listening to this song for a while now, and it's from a group called Intenxity. Intenxity is a group raised by a church called the Evening Church. So this church actually goes to their services in the evening. We're going to do Check Ise. So what Check Ise means is check it out. This is about God. Let's take it to Check Ise by Intenxity.
Bountifully, annually, continually, actually, when it break bounds, it's not the deal. Ekanem, we get the real sound. Every day we dey teach, we dey preach, we be sick, maybe meet for the uptown. Warrior, Abasenya Kamugara. Check it, check. Iba Siba. Warrior, Abasenya Kamugara. Check, everybody, let me see you. Come on, say it. This life, believe in it. This life, believe in it. Young shine the light, he are chasing. Man temba, stop. Who am in friend, the toy to bend face. Imam phone, the bank to me, say, Diamant to day. You set up song and they say, you can say it and they say, I believe in men, here by the go. It's not a man, here by the go. Amen, it's fun, amen, it's fun, till anymore. You did it, legit, take it. Everybody, come on. Warrior, Abasenya Kamugara. Check. Yeah. Have you found? Check. This life, believe in it. This life, believe in it.
Sacrifice, no one could ever survive. And then we quit my microphone. I feel someone who came before. I was in jail, you came, you paid the bill. I'm out of free brother, I got the mail. Tell them, say we be bringing love, we coming. Them things say all these things say we be forming. This love we bringing down, this love we burning. Even till the morning. It's dawning and the sun is up.
Yo, so that was Intenxity with Check Ise, and I'm very sure that you can confirm that that was an amazing song. And it's done by a choir of about 10, if I'm not mistaken, but so powerful. So let me take you to the next song, and the next song is I Gotta Leave by Wande Isola. Now, this is another rap extraordinaire, and just check it out. I don't need to say too much. Check it out, and let's do this. Haha.
I get it, for real must admit it. Some people ain't with it, but I gotta live it. The blessings are fitted, that means you can't get it, but you can get yours if you just say submit it. Was born in the sin, but he made me acquitted. All I had to do is just sit and admit it. Wants to be together if you were permitted. The balls in your court, homie, just going, who you know I'm coming like this? Got bars, but your girl so free. Yeah, I am just an icon living. God hate, don't come around me. Yeah, wake up, I'm turning the pages. Book a light, that's what my name is. Running the race and I'm blameless. Chasing the Lord, not the famous. The doubters around me, I told them to stop. Your girl optimistic, my God never missing. Some negative energy, I had to block. I had to listen and keep it persistent. My own competition, don't compete with y'all. I'm on a mission, the sun, he was risen. So I gotta go out and double the flock. Give all that I got. So I gotta live, yeah. Yeah, I gotta live, ayy. Look, I gotta live, yeah. See, I cannot quit, the fire is lit. So I gotta live, yeah. Yo, I gotta live, ayy. Look, I gotta live, ayy. See, I cannot quit, the fire is lit. So I gotta live, 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 live. I had to go and get my life back. I gotta focus, yo, it's no cap. No other option, man, it's one way. I know victory coming one day. God told me get it, can't have no doubt. I'm really achieving, y'all just got clout. He paid the price and yeah, I get paid. This is the job, yo, it's a new brain. Who you know coming like this? Never turning back on no. I am just a light that's shining, yeah. I gotta go let it glow. Wake up, I'm hitting my knees, miss. Those the moments you don't see, miss. Believe in something you can't see is the key you needed to succeed, sis. The doubters around me, I told them to stop. Your girl optimistic, my God never missing. Some negative energy, I had to block. I had to listen and keep it persistent. My own competition, don't compete with y'all. I'm on a mission, the sun, he was risen. So I gotta go out and double the flock. Give all that I got. So I gotta live, yeah. Yeah, I gotta live, ayy. Look, I gotta live, yeah. See, I cannot quit, the fire is lit. So I gotta live, yeah. Yo, I gotta live, ayy. Look, I gotta live, ayy. See, I cannot quit, the fire is lit. So I gotta live, yeah, live, 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 yeah.
So that was I Gotta Leave by Wande Isola. And I love it because it's one song that anybody can listen to, whether you're Christian or not. You just understand that you gotta leave. Put your head up high and put your shoulders up high and just keep leaving, because that's what it is. And then you invite God to it. That's the superb thing about it. So I'm going to be saying our goodbyes right now. So I want to say thank you to Dr. J. I want to say thank you to Albert Williams. I want to say thank you to WRCS. And I want to say thank you to everyone listening, because without you, there'll be no me. Without you, there'll be no Sounds of Africa. So thank you very much for always listening. But before we go, I just want to drop this one with you. And it is by Zauntee. So follow me on social media for more on Sounds of Africa. Follow me on Facebook at dbrown_namna_brown, and on Instagram at dbrown_brown, and on Twitter at dbrown9. Come on. So this is me signing out. Have a wonderful Sunday evening.
When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. I have never made a song that I do not like. People always always changing colors like a stoplight. I'ma call you lefty cause I know you not right. If you thought I was done, you should learn from Saint Nick and check twice. Ask me how I got here, I'll say God brought me. Ask me who this power from, it's gone on me. Every step I'm taking, I know God got me. I learned from the best, you can tell them God taught me. Yes! Ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. See me on the way when I walk like this, sauce like this. I'm a boss, I guess. God knows I'm blessed. Go to the bank and I cash that check. Guess what's next? I'll be the best. Don't get confused, I'm reliable. That's cause I always produce. God chose me, so I don't have to choose. I can live out my dream. Must be the shoes. You don't want to offend anybody, so you tiptoe. You so focused on your balance like you're a flamingo. Enjoy your day off. I don't get those. You thought you could slow me down. Well, I don't think so. Speaks don't fly straight. If you don't watch your lyrics, you're a lightweight. The truth is out here, but it's hiding. So I make all of this music and they like it. All your blooming smoke like it was cannabis. Why are we ignoring what the problem is? This year let's come together, put a stop to this. Long live the revolution. God with us, God with us, God with us, God with us, God with us. When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me. When they ask me why I'm different, I say God taught me. This my time to get it. God taught me. When they ask